Well, now it's your boy D Charles, man. First of all, I'd like to welcome y'all to the channel, man. So on the channel, we could be just talking about all kind of stuff. Ain't gonna be no one specific topic. We gonna talk about a little everything. A little sports, a little music, a little hygiene, personal hygiene, we could just talk about a little everything, man. But look, man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy D Charles, man. So look, today I'm gonna just bring y'all along for my, daily grooming. Today I'm gonna be shaving, beard, go through my face care routine. I know it's a lot of guys out there that's balding. Just wanted to give you a visual of, what is the grooming like for a guy with a bald head, especially a guy that cuts his own hair. So yeah, so that's what this video gonna be about. Let's get into it. All right, man. So let's get into it. So look, this is the reasons I use right here. Show y'all. This is the safety razor I use. It's good because it don't really cut you that much. So you just put it up and down like that. You tighten it up, and now you're ready to go. This the clippers I use. This is a good pair of clippers because it's not too expensive, but it get the job done. Especially if you just gonna be using it just for your head. Especially because I use it only for balding and for feeding my beard. It's a really good pair of clippers to have, But yeah, man, it's good for feeding. So right here, I'm just talking. Just talking and talking and talking. What I do the best. Right here, you want to get the head real clean. So I'm, just doing a quick wipe down. Right here, I'm just going, cutting against the grain just to get the hair as low as possible. Because whenever you're shaving, you don't want to be shaving all that hair, man. To keep it 100, you trying to shave as close as possible. It just make the job a whole lot easier whenever you're shaving it and it's already short. There's some people that shave every other day, every 2 days, every 3 days. Man, sometimes I go a little longer, so I like to have the clippers just to shave it down, But yeah, man, you just want to go, just get the head shaved. You don't gotta have it perfect, because it ain't really gonna matter anyway. You could be shaving it with the razor, so you just want to get just a basic shave down, you feel me? But yeah, so look, this right here, the shaving cream I use, I like this one because it keep your hair slick. And you ain't trying to be cutting yourself and everything, you feel me? So look, right here, we getting all the extra hair that we just cut. We just taking it off right here. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what this shaving cream look like. Got that from Walmart, so it ain't hard to find. But I like that one better than the shaving gel just because, like I said, keep your hair slick. Sometimes the shaving gel get dry, and that's a hairstyle I ain't trying to deal with, you hear me? Yeah, show y'all what it look like whenever it's on there. Yeah. So now we could get into the shave. Me, I like to shave with the grain. I know some people like to shave against the grain just because you get, a little closer, but I ain't trying to reach them razor bumps, so you feel me? I just shave it with the grain. If I feel like I need to get a little closer, I always just go with an extra. I always just shave it twice if I need to, but most of the time it's not called for. But yeah, you could just go and shave it with the grain. Me personally, I like to go with the short strokes. I know some people like the single stroke just because they say get a little closer, but like I said, if I ever feel like I need to get a little closer, I'll always just come back with another shave, But yeah, pretty much you just going with the grain the whole way around. Get yourself a mirror, bro. Without that mirror, it ain't possible. It ain't gonna be possible without that mirror, bro. You could be having hair all behind your head. Nah, you ain't trying to have that. So yeah, just make sure you get every part. If you feel like you missed something, yeah, just pass it a couple times like that. But overall, it's not that hard. After you do it a couple times, it just become like, just like second nature. And just like that, you're all done, my brother. You ready to get out of these streets with a fresh ball, you feel me? Yeah, J. Charles.